Hey guys, Michael from Dunn Watson, and today we're going to take a look at how to assemble your tilt slide. Very similar to our fridge slides, but with a few extra pieces. You do receive a set of instructions with your order, which I'll run through, and I've got a pre-made unit here to identify those steps as we go along the way. So firstly, what you will receive, you'll obviously get your outer tray, as shown here, your inner tray, as shown here, two arm brackets for either side, two struts to fit the arms, a bunch of nuts and bolts, and of course your drawer slides. Step one is to extend the drawer slides and fit this side of the drawer slide to your outer frame, not the tray, but your outer frame. To do this, the runners, unlike our lighter duty runners, do not disconnect, but you have a window. This little window here, and this little window here. These enable you to fit the various holes along the front, like so, which you otherwise wouldn't have access to unless you disconnected it. But it's important to note that the 227 kilo runners do not disconnect. This is the only way you can gain access to those pieces. Everything is laser cut, so all the holes are there. There's no wrong way you can install them. There's only one way to fit these runners, but the outside of the runner fits to the frame, not the tray. Step two is to fit the runner, the inside of the runner. So just to show you which piece, I'm referring to this piece here, to the tray. So you've already got your outside fitted to the frame, inside to the tray. So the easy way to remember it as well is that the nuts are always on the opposite side to the runner. So the nuts never operate inside the runner. This is because they'll get caught up. Your bolt's always on the inside, your nut is always on the outside of the runner. The next step, now that we've attached the inner runner to the tray, the outer runner to the outer frame, is to attach our tilting arms. So the arms sit on the side like so. There's a left and a right. The idea here is we've got two bolts, one either side, with the nut on the outside of both, which means the head runs on the inside for low clearance, and there are 5 washers. Now these are to space the outer frame from the tilting arm, so 5 on either side. Okay, so next step, once we've attached our arm, so they're bolted down the bottom here, is to fit our gas struts. So there's a gas strut ball end at the top, one at the bottom, both facing out, as you can see. Now to fit your struts, as you know, we should only fit these at extension. They just simply clip on. So there's a nylon end. We'll pop this one on. You can feel them clip on, test it, and we clip the bottom one on, test it. It's as simple as that. So we're fully assembled. A common question we get is, which parts do you mount down? You only mount the arms down, so these 2 outer arms, that's what pins the whole unit down. The rest tilts. Other than that, we're in business. If you've got any questions, as usual, give us a call, flick us an email, or get in touch with us on Facebook.